Good morning, boys and girls. It's story time, and today's story is One Rainy Day. Little Hedgehog woke up to the sound of raindrops. Hooray! He cried happily. It's raining at last. I can wear my new raincoat, hat, and boots and try out my lovely umbrella. He wriggled into his shiny new boots, ran outside and opened his umbrella with a pop. Pitter patter, pitter patter. The raindrops bounced all around him. This is great, Little Hedgehog laughed. Is there room under there for me? Came Mo's little voice from nearby. Oh yes, have my umbrella. Why are you out in the rain? Asked Little Hedgehog. My house is full of water. I'll have to dig a new one, replied Mo. I will help you, said Little Hedgehog. Mo snuggled under the umbrella, but a gust of wind turned it inside out. Little Hedgehog raced after Mo as he was swept off the ground. Help! Cried Mo. I've got you, yelled Little Hedgehog, holding on to his feet. They wibbled, they wobbled, and then they both fell over. Bump! Oh no. It's a bit blowy, said Mo, picking himself up. Can we make my new home tomorrow? Good idea, replied Little Hedgehog. But just then a huge gust tossed them high into the air. The umbrella fell in the river with a splash. Little Hedgehog dropped safely inside it, but Mo tumbled into the water. Give me your pole, Mo shouted Little Hedgehog. Mo scrambled into the umbrella as it bobbed along the river. Thank you, he whispered. Then he sat up. Look, it's Fox, he squeaked. Mouse and their family are trapped, cried Fox. The meadow is flooded. Can you rescue them? Come on, Mo, said Little Hedgehog. He pulled 2 sticks from the river and they paddled the umbrella boat across the mice. The water was getting higher and higher. We're coming, called Little Hedgehog as the frightened mice swam to and fro on the grass. Look, we're stuck. Then one by one, he and Mo lifted Mother Mouse and her babies gently into the umbrella. Little Hedgehog and Mo paddled hard towards the safety of the bank. There we are, said Fox, helping them out. Let's go to Badger's house to dry off. They arrived, they found Badger very grumpy. Would you believe it? The rain is coming through my roof, he snapped. Then Little Hedgehog had a wonderful idea. He pushed his umbrella through the roof to catch all the drips. 3 cheers for Little Hedgehog, cried Badger, and now let's have some cocoa. Warm and dry, the friends curled up by the fire and told Badger all about their rather rainy day. And that is the end of our story. That's the end of the story. Now I have to ask you a few questions about the story. What do we put on to keep us dry when it's raining? Like what Badger did. Who knows? Well done, you guys. You know, we can put on an umbrella or a raincoat and boots to keep us dry when we go outside if it's raining. Well done, you guys. Bye.